This massive chicken feta wrap is only 428 calories with 35 grams of protein, but keep watching to see what went wrong. So this is ridiculously easy. All you want to do is take half a packet of pre-cooked chicken, whack it in a bowl. A bit of red pepper and red onion, also whack that in the bowl. Jalapenos, whack some of them in. Oh, that's grim, I'm doing that with my fingers on camera. Oh well, it's only me that eats these in the house anyway. Salt, fajita seasoning, 50 grams of Greek yogurt. It's never fucking exact, is it, man? A few dashes of hot sauce. And just give it all mixed together. This is how we should be looking. I don't know if you can see that. And then pretty standard procedure here. Take the bowl, scoop your mix into your wrap. Oh, that's fucking massive. Add about 20 grams of low-fat cheese. Last but not least, add on a wee bit of salsa. Just pour it on top. This is going to be a challenge. Now you just very easily wrap it up. You are for it, wee man. Big man. No way. One pepper. Fucking the whole show up. I mean, that is not bad considering the sheer mass. Then just give it a quick spray. As you can see, she's about to blow. Put it in at 200 and just keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't get too burnt. After about 5 minutes it'll be ready, so just remove it. Oh my god, look at the size of that thing. And then, I'd say that turned out not too bad, you know.